Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. Tech Fox. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upload a video on YouTube in a professional way. If it helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, open the default web browser from your PC. So either you're using a PC or laptop, just open the browser, or if you are using a phone, then you have to turn on the desktop mode on your web browser. So as I am using PC right now, so I'm going to open the Brave web browser. And after that, you have to type on the address bar studio.youtube.com. And if you open it, then it will open the studio of your channel. So if you have a channel and you know that how to create a channel, then this tutorial is going to be very straightforward for you. On the other hand, if you don't have a channel, just create it. And after then, you will see the dashboard of your channel. And after then, click on this create button. And here you will get an option, upload videos. And from here, normally click on this icon. And now you have to choose the video that you want to upload on YouTube. I'm choosing this one and click on this open button. And in a few seconds, it's going to be uploaded on your channel. So here you can see that there are some default title and description for my videos because I have set them as default for my every video. So for the first time for your video, it will not come. So don't worry about it. Just provide the title about your video. For example, how to find player UID on Clash of Clans. So this is the title of my video. So I'm gonna copy it and pasting it as description also. Make sure that you are providing a long description according to the title. Just don't copy paste right like me. This video is all about how you can find the UID of a player in Clash of Clans. So this is kind of description. You can provide the description using an AI or using similar tools like that. So after then, you have to provide the thumbnail. Normally click on this upload file to provide a thumbnail for your video. On the other hand, if you want to move this video on a playlist, then normally click on this select option. And here you can create a new playlist. And after then, you can just add the video on that playlist. For example, if I want to keep that on the technology section, I can check this box. And if I click on this done button, then it is going to be added to that playlist. And here you will get some another options and you have to choose it as it's not made for kids. Since I'm not making content for kids, I'm choosing this one. On the other hand, if you are making content for kid, then you have to choose this one. And now there are so many options here as restrictions and so on. If your video is for above 18, then you can choose the first one. On the other hand, you can choose the second one. And similarly, if there is any altered content, then you can choose yes. On the other hand, you can choose no. I'm choosing no. And here, this is a very important part, and that is selecting tags. Just add some useful tags for your video so that people can find them easily. For example, Clash of Clans UID tutorial, UID guide Clash of Clans, COC UID. So I'm just providing 3 tags here. You can provide up to 500 characters, just choose them. And after that, normally you have to choose the video language. Make sure that you are entering your correct video language. As I'm talking in English, I'm just choosing English from here. And now if I scroll down a bit, I can see that there's an option and there's category. Just choose the category. So as I am uploading how to related content, so I'm going to choose how to install. And here are some other options also, comment option, moderation, and so on. Just keep them as default. And after then, click on this next button. And here you can add subtitle for your videos. Either it's manual or auto, that doesn't matter. Just choose whatever you want. Just I'm choosing auto sync. And if I delete it again, here you will see that it will be automatically added on my video. And here you can add an end screen also. So click on this add button and click on it. Here you can select as the best viewer and subscriber option and save button, and that's it. And now if you click on this next button, here there will be a copyright check. So here you can see that there's no copyright issue on my video, and then click on this next button, and here you will get three options, and there are private, unlisted, and public. So as I am going to upload a thumbnail later, so I'm just saving it as unlisted. So whenever you are creating your own video and uploading them to your channel, make sure that you are keeping them unlisted first, and after adding all of the title and description, you have to make them public, and otherwise you should keep it as unlisted. So if you keep it as unlisted, if anyone visit with the link of your video, then they can watch the video. And after completing all of the things like title, description, thumbnail, just normally select public and click on the save button to publish the video to your audience. So that's all about today's video. Now you know how to upload a video on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.